Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today we're going to talk about where to find old school rave beads. These are actually from 2003. I saved these because they stopped making the bead kit. But good news is I can still find these. We can still get these beads. But I'm going to show you. So this bead kit was called Bucket of Beads, and it was made by the Beatery. And it had all of these beads mixed in a bucket. And then, I sorted them. But they came with these big shape beads. And I also really like these because they're different shades, if you notice. Like, it's not all the way like a bright neon. There's like these like different shades of blue. So it had those big beads. And it also had these rings or donut beads or Fruit Loop. I don't know the exact name, but we called them Fruit Loop beads. And these are all like the specialty beads that I would put on my cuffs. Like I absolutely love these types of beads. Okay, the next one. Tri beads. And these were hard to find back in the day. I think Michael's had some glow-in-the-dark ones. But yeah, I feel like the only place I could get these tri beads were in this mix. And sometimes in those like assorted, like it's just all different types of beads were in a bead kit. These flower beads were in the kit. These round beads with the texture. These beads. And another favorite of mine were these buttons. Well, I mean, I love all these beads, but the buttons. And there were some pony beads mixed in. Like, oh, these too. You know what? I don't know if... I don't think the Beatery still makes these. You guys let me know. So it's like, these are a thicker version, I feel like. Do they have these? I'll have to go back and look. I know beadtin is the one that carries a lot of the Beatery beads. But yeah, I forgot all about these. I'll have to go check. Okay, well, that's what I have. And now I'm going to insert some pictures of the beads and talk a little bit about them. Okay, here are these big shape beads on bead tin. Also flowers on bead tin. The Fruit Loop beads, or plastic rings, on bead tin. The buttons. I'm just so excited to see that we can still get these beads. And I found this mix all the way to the right, and that's pretty close. It's just missing like the big shapes. And these are bead kits that I believe were popular in 2003. Similar. They might not be exact, but similar. And I thought that this might be nice because you don't have to go and buy every single bead separate. You know what I mean? You can kind of still get the same vibe. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.